Multiple studies conducted on college students in the United States showed that 70% of students regret their degree choice, wishing they had chosen a different major. Another study showed that 80% students end up changing their major at least once, wasting thousands of dollars, years of effort, and delaying their graduation. The primary reason why so many students choose the wrong major includes pressure from their parents and friends, misleading information, ignoring their true passion, and chasing trends without research. As a result, many students remain confused and they end up choosing the wrong major, then stuck in a career they hate, earn lower income than they expect, dissatisfaction, anxiety, stress, and depression will be part of their normal life. But here is the good news. You don't have to be one of them. Watch till the end and I'll show you 5 proven steps used by successful students, including me, to choose the perfect major with confidence. Step 1. Identify your interest and passion. Many students struggle to choose a major because they are unsure of their true passion. Yeah. It is the secret. Your passion is already inside you. You just need to uncover it. Meet Jake, a confused student just like you. Jake has no idea on which major to choose. He enjoys watching YouTube videos, playing games, exploring new apps, and loves technology. He is also pretty good at chemistry, math, and physics, but that doesn't automatically mean he should be a scientist, a programmer, or an engineer. He feels stuck and unsure about which path is right for him. Let us help Jake and you find the answer. To help you identify your passion, just complete these 3 easy tasks. Task number 1. Write down your hobbies and activities you enjoy in your free time. Just grab a paper and pen right now, then try to list at least 3 activities you enjoy in your free time. For example, you may like gaming, reading, helping others, watching YouTube videos, etc. Just try to list all of them. Task number 2. Write down subjects that you are passionate about and that excite you. Math, chemistry, biology, history, geography, physics, economics. Just try to write at least 3 of them. Task number 3. Write down your strength and weakness. Just try to write at least 3 of your strength and 3 of your weakness on things like communication skills, problem solving, teamwork, time management, public speaking, procrastination, confidence, etc. Here is what Jake did to find his passion. First, he took a pen and paper and wrote down what he enjoys. He listed gaming, watching tech videos on YouTube, trying new apps, and etc. Next, he wrote down the school subjects that he likes the most. Math, chemistry, physics. He enjoys learning them without feeling bored. Finally, he wrote down his strengths and weaknesses. Jake realized that he's great at problem solving, explaining technology, and critical thinking. But he struggles with time management, self-confidence, and procrastination. This helped him understand what he is naturally good at and what might be challenging for him. After doing this, Jake started to see a pattern. His passion was right there all along. Just do the same tasks like Jake did. Don't just think about it. Write it down. Trust me, keep it in your head won't work. Step 2. Find the best major for your skills and passion. Now that you know your passion and strength, it's time to find the perfect major for you. First, list majors that match your skills and interests. If you are unsure, ask a friend, a parent, or even better to use ChatGPT. Just type all your passions and skills and ask what university majors fits this. You will get a list instantly. Let us see what Jake did. Jake didn't want to ask his friends or parents, so he turned to ChatGPT. He typed everything he wrote in the step 1, his passions like technology, problem solving, and math, and his strengths like logical thinking, creativity, and technical skills. Within seconds, ChatGPT suggested majors like engineering, computer science, data science, and etc. All a perfect fit for him. Then he checked the majors that wouldn't have much his weaknesses. Medicine and pharmacy came up, but since Jake struggles with memorizing long texts, he knew both wasn't the right choice for him. Now, think about what you dislike. If you hate math, stay away from majors like engineering, finance, or physics. If you don't enjoy memorizing and reading tons of materials, medicine, pharmacy, and law might not be for you. If you prefer working alone, majors like marketing and psychology, which requires constant interaction, may not suit you. The key is simple. Choose a major that fits your strengths, not your weaknesses. Jake made the right choice, and now it's your turn. Step 3. Choose a major that has a future. Passion is important, but let's be real. Passion alone won't pay the bills. You need to think ahead. The world is changing fast. AI, technology, and economic shifts are shaping the job market. Some careers are booming, while others are fading. If you don't research for future demand, you might end up struggling to find a job no matter how much you love your major. A big mistake many students make is blindly following trends. Just because a degree is popular today doesn't mean it will be in demand tomorrow. Some fields become oversaturated with graduates, making it harder to find a job. Others become obsolete, replaced by technology, or dominated by a few top players. So, how do you predict the future job market? That is a simple question. The answer is research. Look at the industry reports, government job outlook websites, and expert predictions. See what skills will be needed in 5, 10, or even 20 years. Look after rising industries, emerging technologies, and global challenges that need solutions. But don't just chase high salaries. Many students pick their major based only on money. And guess what? They end in a crowded field with few jobs than they expected. Be smarter than the majority. Choose a major that balances passion, skills, and future opportunities. Let us check in on Jake. He had a long list of majors, but he wanted to make sure that he picked one with a real potential. So he researched the future career demand. He looked at reports on tech advancements and saw that AI and cybersecurity were going fast. He also considered economic trends and realized that finance and digital business would always be needed. With this, Jake shortened his list again. He removed majors that didn't have strong future opportunities. Now, his final choices were computer science, cybersecurity, software engineering, digital business, and finance. Now, it's your turn. Take your list of potential majors and research for future demand. Use job market websites, industry reports, and AI predictions to see which career will be stronger in the future. Cross out majors that are oversaturated, outdated, or declining. Keep only the ones that match your passion and a strong future job market. This will help protect your future because choosing a major isn't just about what you love. It's about making sure you have the career waiting for you. Step 4. Analyze your major and narrow it down. Now that you have chosen majors with strong future demand, it's time to go even deeper. Not all majors are the same. Some focus on completely different skills while others overlap. To make the smartest choice, you need to understand what each major actually teaches and decide which one fits you best. First, group similar majors together. If most of your choices fall under one category, that's a strong sign of where your interests and skill align. For example, Jake's list included computer science, cybersecurity, software engineering, digital business, and finance. Since most of them were tech related, it made sense for him to focus on that field. Finance was still interesting, but it didn't fit as well. Instead of studying it as a major, Jake decided he could learn business and finance on his own through books, online courses, and real world experience. Now, let's go deeper. Choosing a major isn't about just its name. You need to know what you'll actually be learning in each one. For example, computer science focuses on algorithms, programming, and software development. Cybersecurity is about protecting systems from hacking and digital threats. Software engineering is about designing, building, and maintaining large software systems. Each one sounds similar, but they have different focuses. Jake didn't just assume. He researches the courses inside each major. He checked the university websites, course syllables, and online tutorials to see what subjects he would study. Now, it's your turn. Take your shortened list of majors and research what each one actually teaches. Look up course lists from different universities, watch video tutorials, or read course descriptions, then cross out any major that doesn't fully match your skills, interests, or career goals. This step will save you years of regret because knowing what you are signing up for is the key to make the right choice. Step 5. Get real advice and make your final decision. You have done the research, narrow down your list, and now it's time for the final step, getting real world insights and making your final decision. The best way to truly understand what a major is like by talking to people who have already been through it. Books and websites can help you a lot, but personal experience is priceless. So, who should you ask? Senior students who are already in the major you are considering. They can share what classes are really like, how difficult the coursework is, and whether the major is worth it. You can also ask graduates and professionals working in your field of interest. They can tell you about job opportunities, salary expectations, and if the major truly prepared them for their career. Jake didn't know any professionals personally, so he reached out on LinkedIn, Reddit, and university forums. He also found senior students and asked direct questions, and he got real answers that helped him make his final decisions. Now, it's your turn. Take everything you have learned from this process and make your choice. Pick the major that excites you, plays to your strengths, and has a strong career potential. And remember, your major is important, but it doesn't define your entire future. The most successful people don't just rely on a degree. They develop skills, read books, explore new fields, and even start their own business. Your growth doesn't stop after choosing a major. It's just the beginning. If you follow these 5 steps carefully, there is no reason to regret your choice. You will be ahead of most students who pick a major blindly, only to struggle later. And if this video helped you, make sure to like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more important educational content like this. Your support helps this video reach more students around the world who are struggling with the same problem. By sharing this video, you might just save someone from making a life-changing mistake. Leave a comment below sharing your thoughts and which major you are considering. I'll be reading and replying to all of them. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.